Alright, I wanted to make a quick little recording to show you how to gather up the O behaves so that you can easily do whatever you want with them to get them into your gradebook. First of all, my O behave reports are all emailed automatically to Gmail, and so if I just search for O behave, here I can see here's the reports from this week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'll click on my Monday report, and when I do, I have the option to I can see the CSV file, and I'll go ahead and click download. And when I do, the window comes up and it asks me, hey, where would you like to store this? And I usually put it into my, well, I'm going to see what I'll go ahead and put in my Dropbox folder. I have a special section for classwork, and I'll go ahead and put it in my subterm 3. I'll make a new folder for this week, which was week 5 of this particular subterm, and then I'll name the file, since it was Monday, I'll name it Monday CSV, and then I'll just repeat this process for Tuesday and for Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. So let's just go. Okay, so here's Tuesday. See how once you save that first one, the next one, it just goes quickly. So we'll go and we'll just save. So this will be Wednesday, and then we'll save again, get Thursday, and so there we go, and then we'll get Friday, of course. Sorry to go through all these, but I wanted to show you what I then do with the spreadsheet if I can. Okay, so there's all those guys, and once I've done all that, I'll then go to my actual folder with the documents, and let's see here. When I go to the folder, I'll go ahead and I use OpenOffice, but you can use Microsoft Excel. I'll go ahead and open that sucker up, the first one, Monday.csv. And then when I do, you can see you can see all the scores here. So I'll go ahead and well, at this point, first I'll go ahead and save this file, save as. I'll save this document as, let's see if I can show you. I'll save this document as week 5, and I like to save it as Excel. I don't know why, it's just one of those old habits that's hard to break, of course. There we go. So I'll save it as week 5 Excel. Well, certainly it's more functionality than CSV. Then I'll go ahead and I'll close that guy, and then I'll open up the Tuesday version, and OpenOffice wants you to take a look. So here it is. So I'll go ahead and I will copy, and then I'll just close that, copy that whole column, and I'll come back to my week 5 XLS. I should have just left that open. And in here I'll just go ahead and I'll paste, and then I'll save, and I'm just going to minimize that now. Then we'll go back to Wednesday, and we'll try to open that up in OpenOffice. And then when I do, I'll go ahead and copy all that data, and then I'll close, and then I'll paste. And so this is what I do. I keep doing this over and over until I get all the data in there. We'll get Thursday, and here we go. So let's go ahead and copy all this, Control C. Actually, let me go ahead and let's get rid of that, and then we'll go ahead and we'll paste. And then finally in the end, after I've got the last day, let's do Friday. I'll just sum up all the totals, and then I can go ahead and easily type that into my grade software. So here we go. So we'll copy this last one. I'll go ahead and get rid of that window, paste into here. I'll then go ahead and sum up all of these data totals for the entire week for all students. And after I get to the very bottom, Control D, of course, there we go, there's all the sums. And then I'll go ahead and I'll save this. And then I can easily go and enter all these data into my Gradebook software. And it depends on how many different numbers here. If most everybody has all 25s, then I might just fill my Gradebook software with all 25s and then just enter the exceptions. But here, since I have a variety of numbers, I'll probably go through and I'll just enter name by name what the scores are. All right, I just wanted to give you some little tips on how to easily get all the O-Behave reports that you'll be sending to yourself every day into your spreadsheet, into your Gradebook software. So that's it. Take care.